Hello, hello. Your Chinese mom here today for H Mart grand opening. Look at the line, 5 miles long. I'm gonna take you in to shop. I'll show you what I buy. My favorite kitchen staple vegetables, some seafood. I can't wait to check out. Hi. Buy here, what do you get? Hi. So what did you buy today? What's the Korean snack you suggest for me to buy? Ooh. What you get? Can I have a picture? Yes, yes, yes. Gosh. I've been following you for so I'm gonna go check in. Let's go. Hello, check in here. Oh, there's my name. Yes, okay, Vivian.
Thank you for coming. So we're gonna start VIP space at 9.
존경하는 H Mart 가족 여러분.
Whoa, so many people waiting. Got a welcome flower here. So it's so crazy here today. We finally get a cart. And otherwise, if you line up outside, I don't think you can get a cart today. Let's go shopping. If you love Korean beauty, look at how many beauty products here. Yes, but today, I'm focusing on my kitchen stuff.
We're in trouble.
Yeah, you see this?
Claw machine, and over there.
And my daughter, obsession with claw machine.
Oh,
perfect. Oh, my God, look at this. Here is claw machine area. Oh, my kids will love it. Oh, yes, look at this. This is what Juliet wants. My daughter gonna go crazy in this section. Look at these cute slippers, hair bands, and all the school stuff you can buy. Pencil cases, cushions. Oh my God, these plushies so big. She would shop there all day for these plushies, right? And here, Heidi Lao hot pot package. The whole box, you can get the stainless steel pot, also 12 package of hot pot base, $20.99. What a good deal. Actually, let's go to the vegetables area. Before the 5,000 people come in, I'm gonna go browsing the store first. Oh, here, look at Guiyuan. We have this dragon fruit, and the yellow dragon fruit actually is sweeter. Let's come here. Mangosteen. If you squeeze the mangosteen, it's soft. That means fresh. If it's hard shell, no good. Another one I'm getting is Guiyuan. Those are like lychee, but different. Same, but different. The flat donut peaches. Oh, look at the vegetables here. I can get some for my pickle jar. And I like all their vegetables packed very well. Here, the cabbage section. Look at this. This is the cabbage I use the most is the flat cabbage, but they call it white cabbage. I don't know why. I use this for pickles, stir fry, and you can make soup too. This I use for pickles too. In Chinese, we call 莴笋. English is saltus, really fresh. Look at the name, A choice song, I don't know. Big one for the pickle jar. Another vegetable I buy for my pickle jar is I pickle those long beans I always talk about. That's called jiangdou in Chinese. You need to get this for your pickle jar. I love how they laid out their pepper in nice packaging. Looks like a piece of art. All different pepper from medium, mild, and really spicy ones. This one I will use for my pickle jar. Great for stir fry, your steamed dish. I believe this one probably medium spicy. I will try. And here is a sweet pepper. They are not spicy at all, but also good for your pickle jar too. And H Mart has fresh ginseng. This is great for chicken soup, any soup. And the lotus roots, or all the fresh herbs. So now we are at the seafood area. They look so fresh, especially whole fish. I use a lot of whole fish. Pompano. Yeah. One, and one tilapia, please. Yeah. One of each. Just clean. I just need a clean. I need a whole fish. Can I also get this bell fish? Yeah, one. To keep it whole. Just clean the inside, yes. Yeah. To keep it whole, I will cut it at home for you guys. I'll show you what I make next.
So what do you think so far?
Oh, I think seafood look really fresh. And I have a lot of variety of fish over there. I haven't seen anywhere because I always buy whole fish.
Right.
You know? And you look at this lobster, that's only $10 a pound. All right? Yeah, Chinese mom always looking for a good deal. Live lobster, $10 a pound. Probably I get a lot of frozen ones, but look at this here. They are looking fresh here.
Beautiful.
Yeah. You are right, Brian? It doesn't smell fishy.
It doesn't smell fishy in here.
Yes.
Well, it is opening day, but I don't know. The place feels very
fresh
and put together.
Yeah. Yes,
very
definitely.
clean.
Yes.
Everything's organized and has its place.
And they have full tank here. You know what? Live abalone, yes. Oh, hi. Oh, hi.
How are you?
Genesis.
Yes.
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 Yeah, Vivian.
Vivian.
Yeah.
I know you want-
If you love sushi, here's a whole aisle at H Mart. They have prepared sushi. Some of the plates you can just put at your party next time. They have huge sections of prepared food. They have a whole section of kimchi, all different kinds of. Also the side dish, the little dish. There are seaweed, there are tofu. You just take it to go. Then they have little fish, radish, right?
Let's try the
Yeah, this jar, this like a
this
medium-sized
harvest
jar we're getting.
cabbage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can try one. What are you looking?
They're different.
Oh, they're different buns. Ha shao bao. I like the meat here. It's all cut up, you know, for Asian food, especially Chinese food. Everything's cut up. Look at the ribs here. Already cut. So easy. I don't have to chop. And waking up my neighbors. They have the whole pig feet for my soup. For your collagen. Oh, they have pork tongue too. Pig ears. Yes, I made that video. Go watch how to make it. Here, the thin slices for hot pot. And they have premium American Wagyu beef here. Let's get some ground pork, which I use a lot. If you are busy people, you don't have time to marinate the meat, here a whole section, all marinated meat, like a little buffet set up here. After work, take some meat, go home, you just do a little stir fry. So easy, right? Dinner ready in 20 minutes. Let's go get my top kitchen staple ingredients, what we can find here. Oh, so many sauces here. Ah, this is a Korean soybean paste. It's a little different from Chinese ones.
Probably very similar. I'll just get it.
Grab one. I'll try this. Here I'm gonna check out what they have for soy sauce cooking wine here. Usually I get those are at a Chinese market. Oh, they have my Chinese cooking wine here. For the Chinese soy sauce, they do have
They
Li
do
Jing
have
Ji.
this dry soy sauce
Yeah.
and cream. Look,
They have-
they have all their soy sauces.
They don't have the particular one I get. So if you want to shop for Chinese soy sauce, this is a good place too. More Chinese vinegar. Oh, here. Yeah. Oh, here they have it. They have my soy sauce here. Oh, okay, they have it. You know what? I found it. So H Mart has all the soy sauce I need. It's more expensive because those are aged vinegar. They're more expensive. They are 3-year-old vinegar. The cheaper option will be this one right here. Everyday use, it's fine. The next thing you need to get your kitchen is sesame oil. So here they have Chinese ones, Japanese, and the Korean. So of course, I am grabbing the Chinese sesame oil here. You can get all your wellness ingredients too. If you watch my silver year mushroom soup, you can find on the mushroom aisle all the way on the bottom here. And they have in a nice box. Silver year, snow fungus, right here. And all the dried shiitake mushrooms and the sliced huaishan, which this ingredient, how to say in English, huaishan. This is you can use in chicken soup, oil soup, pork. I have it in my cookbook, tell you how to use this. So what kind of rice I buy for Chinese food or you need to buy? You can get a different brand. I just like this. So in China, we use this short grain white rice, eat with Chinese food, especially Sichuan food. Why? Because they taste very fluffy, little sticky. That's great go with spicy Sichuan food. They also taste more neutral and clean. Jasmine rice, all the Indian rice tastes much drier. So this is perfect with your Chinese food and you can pick up with your chopsticks. Let's get this. Here, the frozen food section, we got spicy rice cakes, dumplings. You can just reheat. The dinner's ready. Wow, how convenient is that? The viral ice cream, they have all the flavor here. Mango, peach, grape, lemon. One of each. Also another one of my kids' favorite drink we found here. It's a Korean drink, strawberry milk. Getting this for my kids. They have the Korean version of Oreo here, right there. And in China, Chinese market, they have the Chinese words on it, of course. Strawberry, vanilla, the cinnamon bun flavor. Yeah. Oh, yes. Hi. What do you like to buy here? What do you get?
I got butterfish, my husband's favorite fish.
Oh, favorite
Yes.
fish. And what else you gonna get today?
I haven't seen the store so huge, so we're going to explore.
Okay.
Yes.
Have fun.
Thank you, Vivian. Nice to
Bye.
meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye. Oh, nice to meet you.
Hi.
So what did you buy today?
I bought a bunch of groceries, a bunch of Korean snacks. I bought those little drinks that you put in a cup.
Oh, what's the Korean snack you suggest for me to buy?
Ooh, the turtle chips.
Turtle chips.
Yes, I love the truffle salt flavor and the chili lime flavor.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Let me
thank
grab
you.
that. What you guys buy?
$400 worth of stuff.
Okay, good.
I bought a lot of banchan, so we're just eating it right now.
Oh, you guys so crowded. I want to eat here. It's just so crowded today.
I know. It's really good.
Oh,
Really
okay,
good.
yeah. Maybe next time. I bought ice cream, so I have to run.
Oh,
Yeah, I got ice
Nice to
cream.
meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Can I have a picture?
Yes, yes, yes.
I've been following you for...
Oh, thank you. You watch my pickle jar?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Melissa.
Melissa, nice to meet you. What
you
did you
here?
buy? Yes.
I didn't know you lived here in
Yes,
Florida.
I moved here from Minnesota. 2022. But before that,
Yes.
before Minnesota, I was in China. I moved from China, Minnesota. Now I moved here.
Yes.
Warmer. So what did you buy, Melissa?
A bunch of different ramen that I've been wanting to try, but I don't want to buy like the big,
Ramen's
boxes.
good choice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so much fun today. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
You got a hot pot?
Oh yeah, I got the 2 special hot pots too for my kids.
Oh, yes, a good choice.
Comes with the pot and all the other special stuff.
Yes,
Yeah.
really good choice. I'm
Yes.
from China.
I'm half Korean, so.
Oh, you have Korean?
Yeah,
Wow.
that's why I got all this.
You got kimchi.
Oh yeah, I make my own kimchi.
Very good. I make my own Chinese pickle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
make all the Korean food.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
What's your favorite dish to make?
I like kimchi jjigae. It's my favorite.
Oh, that sounds
That's so good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially when you have a hangover.
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's
And you don't feel good. That's
Yeah.
kimchi jjigae. Just make it a little hotter.
very comfort food.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, thank you.
So glad you guys are here. Waited 4 years for you guys.
Oh.
Can't wait till you come to Tampa because we drove from Tampa.
Really?
We left at 6 this morning.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good drive. Yeah.
That's okay though. I'm glad I'm here.
Okay. Nice meeting you.
Stay here. Bye.
Look at behind me. It's a huge line to check out here. My husband's waiting online. I'm here checking the food court. It's too crazy today. So I will come back here for some food. We are unloading all the stuff on here. Hopefully my ice cream is still okay. We finished shopping here. Still big line you can see outside the H Mart waiting to get in. Probably over an hour or 2 hours, longer than a Disney ride, that's for sure. And you don't have a fast pass or lightning lane. This was such a fun day, right? You have fun? And thank you H Mart to invite us and also bring Piece of Asia to Orlando. I will show you how I cook all this at home. So please subscribe. I'll show you in my next video. Your Chinese mom always here to bring you shopping in the Asian market. See you in the next one.